Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. I'm pumped. Today we are going to be looking at the Dell Latitude 7350 detachable tablet. And if you are aware, we do have the Latitude 7320 detachable tablet, which has been in market for a number of years. This is going to be the follow-on to the 7320. I am pumped. Let's take the first look. So you got the box here. Love that it says the packaging is made from 100% recycled or renewable materials. We've done a ton from a sustainability standpoint, and obviously you're able to see that from the box itself. Let's cut the seal. Oh man, pumped for so many reasons to finally get Intel Meteor Lake Core Ultra processors, the brand new neural processing unit technology. The list goes on. Oh boy. Da, da, da. So you'll see inside this particular device, we do have the keyboard, which we'll open up in a sec. They have the AC adapter right here, 65 watts. We have wall plug. We do have the active stylus for the tablet itself. Place this all down. And oh, look at how light this thing is. Alrighty, let's clean up the work area and take a look at the tablet. So we've got everything cleaned up. Let's take a look. Oh man, I'm pumped. Pretty sweet. I like what we've done with the color scheme. Definitely that river blue. Port perspective, you do have USB Type-C Thunderbolt port. Another USB Type-C Thunderbolt port. Headset jack, which is great to see. Volume up, volume down. Fan venting all around. Fan venting here. Front-facing speakers, which is good to see. That is going to be an 8 megapixel HDR camera. On the back, you'll see another rear-facing HDR RGB camera. We've done a lot of work. Congrats to everyone that brought this to market. Pretty sweet. Let's place this down. Take a look at the keyboard. Sweet. And I know we've done a ton with respect to the technology in this keyboard. You're going to see a ton of innovation here. We do have the collaboration touchpad now. So if you're on a conference call, turn on your camera, share your screen, bring up the chat, start your mic. Keyboard definitely been redesigned. You do have a garage here for your pen, magnetic clasp. We'll go ahead, show that. Pretty slick. Last thing is the pen. We have the active pen here. Little instructions on what to do in terms of the detachable active pen, warranty, safety, regulatory information. You will see an extra nib. The tool to take that out. This is just showing you the keyboard comparison. This was our old on our 7320. This is the new with the collaboration keys that I was talking about. Definitely feels a little bit more rigid in terms of design. Ton of innovation that you'll see that went into it. Flipping it around on the other side, obviously very similar, but the chassis did change from a sizing perspective, so you won't be able to interchange the two. Now on screen, the old tablet and then the new, looking at, the overall dimensions. The old with the new, facing the right way. Ton of innovation in terms of collaboration technology, performance, serviceability. Obviously, you can get into the guts. You have, captive screws right down here where you're able to get into the LCD and things like that. Different components. Ton of innovation went into this. So with that, thank you so much for tuning in. This was the first look at the Latitude 7350 detachable tablet featuring Intel Core Ultra architecture, up to 32 gigs of memory, the NPU, aka Intel AI Boost. Ton of innovation went into this. Stay tuned. Maybe we'll do another video. Thanks again. Bye now.